Oh boy, everyone, welcome to Coin Plinko. Here we go. It's time to make some real life money, become a millionaire by playing an app. Dude, another Plinko scam app. I can almost guarantee I'm going to be showing you reviews while I play this app, okay? Let's see how much money we can make. Apparently we get rewarded with PayPal cash and all this crazy stuff. I can't wait. Let's do it. Let's play Coin Plinko. Here we go. I'm ready. PayPal. Use your earnings to redeem cash. PayPal. $10. Yeah. Awesome. Okay. Reach $15 to cash out. Didn't it just say $10 then? Okay, whatever. Need to reach $15 to cash out. Can we do it? Let's find out. Okay, I just got 15 cents. To be fair, this looks like it's running smoother than the other Plinko games. I'm not going to lie. Oh, wow. Hang on. I just realized my coins get stuck at the bottom there. Ooh, we have $1.95 already, guys. Look at this. We might be able to actually cash out here. Oh, PayPal, $1,000 cash out. Yes. Alright, look at this. Coins. Oh my lord, dude. It's nearly 600,000 coins needed to get a $3 Amazon gift card. This looks like a much better Plinko game compared to the other ones. So good job, scammers. You've done alright there. I'm talking about developers, by the way. Alright, so we're up to $4.38, dude. I cannot wait, because we're about to cash out here, right? In theory. Like, we're almost ready to cash out, aren't we? Oh, now the money's starting to go down a bit. Okay, we're on $4.58. Here we go. Get ready for this, everyone. Remember, we need $15 to cash out. There's all these, like, little hazards now and stuff. How am I going from earning $1.50 per drop to now earning 2 cents? What? How? How do we drop that dramatically, dude? That's a massive drop. Let's try and... What? Dude, I was earning $1 per the drops then. Let's try and get times 100. I don't know if we can, though. Is it possible to even get times 100? I'm trying to get it now. Let's see. I haven't got the slot machine either yet. I do love the casino elements of these Plinko apps. There we go. Wonderful. I just got times 100. There we go. We're up to $7. Oh, 20 coins. Here we go. One more chance. No, I don't want to play slot machine game. Look at this, everyone. Oh, wow. We are almost up to $15. Get ready. So close. That means we were able to cash out, right? In theory? Oh boy, I hope so. I really hope we can cash out. That'd be hilarious. This will be the first Plinko game that didn't scam me. I hope so. This is new, by the way, so who knows? I need to collect ABC, apparently. No worries. Okay, I got 20 coins there. Cool. We're on $8.61 right now. Just remember that, guys. $8.61. I'm now collecting coins instead of real-life cash. Excellent. Okay, one more chance. No. Don't care about one more chance for now. Alright, I'm now dropping coins instead of the green tokens. Right. Was I always dropping the yellow coins? Wasn't I meant to be dropping green tokens now? Maybe I'm wrong. Now I'm gaining cash all of a sudden. I just hit $8.79 and now I'm gaining cash. Why? Why am I gaining cash all of a sudden, bro? What's going on there? There. Okay, I have to watch a video to claim 50 tokens. This is a generic Plinko scam here. Let's watch the ad, guys. I'll be back in 1 second. Alright, we're back. I now have 50 tokens, everyone. Here we go. See, look, it's dropping yellow coins now. Why is it not dropping the green cash anymore? Dude, it's slowing down. It's doing the most generic Plinko scam tactic here. Unless I'm wrong, I will say sorry if I'm wrong, but I could have sworn I was dropping the green coins at the start of this video. And now all of a sudden we've degraded down into coins, like standard coins. There's one green coin. One green coin. And it got stuck. Oh! Times 5. I got 8 cents then. Oh my lord. Dude, I feel so sorry for anyone that's going to be grinding this game. Dude, stay off this app, everyone. You can tell how it's... You can tell how it's going to be rigged, bro. You can tell. You can just tell. Look at this. 2 cents. 2 cents. How do you go from earning $2, $5, all the way down to 2 cents? And now you're just dropping the yellow coins over and over again. Look! It's like trying to randomize it, but in reality, all you do is get 2 cents, 3 cents, 8 cents. Where's the times 100? Times 100 is gone completely now. Plinko games, I really dislike you. I really, really do. Light one of the 9 bulbs. Light all 9 bulbs, activate slot machine, free. Okay, open the gift box. Chance +1. What's this? What was that just then? Chance +1. I clicked the plus and now I'm watching an ad. Fantastic. Okay, what did I just do? Chance +2. Light one of 9 bulbs. Free. I don't even know what's going on. Chance. There was chance there, apparently, everyone. So dumb. It is such a dumb setup. I'm not happy with these Plinko apps at all. I can clear as well. Clear all obstacles for 60 seconds. Free. Okay, done. Obstacles are cleared, but now I don't even have anything. I don't even have the tokens to use. I have to watch an ad. Oh my lord. This is what I mean, like, guys, you cannot think that these Plinko apps are legitimate. You just can't. Like, it's not. Like, we're sitting here just watching ads now, essentially. It's degraded already within 5 minutes of playing. Like, you know that's a bad sign, right, when that happens. That's a terrible sign. What do we do now? Like, what do we do? How do we stop Plinko games from, you know, existing? It's just killing me. Now my hay fever's killing me as well. Everything's killing me. Far out. Can you catch the gift card? Yeah, sure thing, man. Jeez. Alright, here we go. We've got no obstacles now. I'm just spamming. I'm spamming now. Nothing can go wrong here, right? I'm getting barely any dollars. Barely any dollars whatsoever. Look at all the gold coins now instead of green coins. There's one green coin compared to about 40 or 30 gold coins. That's just great. Good job, app. There's the Plinko scam, ladies and gentlemen. Now I have to watch another ad to get my tokens back. Dude, no. I just can't handle it. What's bonus? Can we watch a bonus? What's this? Match 3 symbols. Okay. Nope, that didn't work. Bonus play. 1,500 tokens. Is that even from the same app?
I used to play a money game like this.
Oh my lord. I'm so done in. I used to play money game like this. Yeah, sure you did. Let's get out of this. Wait, what else is there actually? This is like a whole bunch of mini games here, dude. Look at this. Is this even for the same app? Is this even for the same app? Legit? I got no idea. Oh, well, either way, I'm going to wrap it up, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will play more if you want. Coin Plinko, guys. Stay away from it. It's a scam. Catch you around.